Hey everybody, I'm finally in the last bit of my LED upgrades from my 2002 Subaru WRX, and praise the WRX, aka Scooby. And this already has some HIDs, the fog lights had some HIDs. I changed these guys to LEDs, I changed that side marker to LEDs. The brake light on the back are done. Or the outside brake lights. The turn signals are done. So now I'm going to do the reverse here. Then I'll be done. Inside lights already got LEDs. So let's do this. Reverse lights, these guys right here. I tried a few other ones and I couldn't get it, so here we go. Pop that out. Hope I got the right one. Yes. And you can see incandescent. Highly likely original, maybe not. I don't know. The other ones are original. And I got these on Amazon. I will send a link to the description where to get this. You can see here, it's got LEDs on 3 parts as well as right there, so it should reflect out a lot better than the stock ones. So let's pop this out. See if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. These things are pretty snug. Oh, maybe I can. I gotta do it before dark. Come on. 1 second. Oh man. Alright. I was trying to hurry up before dark, so that's why I didn't get my tripod. So these should be non-polarized. Just gotta get it in there. It's really hard one-handed. I apologize. Just trying to get some video time. Alright, let me get it. Alright, these are super snug. Alright, let's make sure they work, because that was super tight. And you pop them in there. Sorry I didn't show the video, but you would see me struggling. Alright, let's put this in reverse. What are you doing? Yeah, put the key in the ignition. Let's see. Ooh, that's super bright, and that's dead. And I think it's dead because it needs to be a pair. That's what I'm guessing. So, wow, super bright. Hi, Joanna.
Daddy, I need to go here.
1 second, I'll play with you in a second.
I need to see someone die.
I got them both hooked up now, and you can see they're super bright. You can see Joanna's visible. And you can see how bright that is. And remember, these aren't clear. If this was clear, it'd be probably brighter. Shows my kids so you can see them. Yeah, so anyways, that's it right there. Super bright. I'll put a link in the description where to get this. I look for the best bang for the buck. So thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't. Comment below. Thanks again. Peace out.